Video kicks off in Madison, Wisconsin, where heavy rains clogged the stormwater drains at this supermarket. You could see the weight of that water caused that roof to collapse. Employees able to evacuate all those customers before it came crashing down. So the good news, no one was hurt. A surreal sight in Bradenton, Florida, a double water spout offshore. Look at that. They were churning near the mouth of the Manatee River. The city's mayor snagged this video. Water spouts stayed away from land and luckily did not cause any damage.
They wanted to take me. I don't want to go because I don't want to miss my son's graduation.
In New Jersey, several people hospitalized after passing out at outdoor high school graduation ceremonies. It's just one of the major cities in the Northeast dealing with this oppressive heat. In Philadelphia, the heat index hit 108 on Monday.